This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuller. Mountain living at its finest. This 4-bedroom/3-bath private mountain retreat with an open floor plan. Spacious kitchen with granite countertops. Cathedral ceilings with walls of windows to take in the outside scenery. 2 masters on the main level. Laundry on the main level. Terrace level includes 2 bedrooms/1 bath with a large game room, family room and a wet bar. Enjoy soaking in the hot tub or sitting by the fire pit. Great location for mountain biking, hiking, kayaking and fishing. Toccoa River is within walking distance. Would make an excellent full-time home, vacation or rental cabin. Call me today. This one won't last long. Furnishings Negotiable.